So finally, the wait is over. The Arcade Insider for the Google Cloud Arcade Cohort 2 2025 is out. So here we'll decode it and what are the important things you need to take care for the price counter. But before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and to hype the video. And here is our Arcade Insider. So many of you are saying that we are following your tutorials, whether we'll be getting the prizes or insider email or not. Many made rare allegations too. So here you can see if you have got the insider, then you are safe and you can surely follow the channel tutorial. So this is our season 2. They are just thanking us for the part of being this journey, and here you can see whatever points you have earned. For example, we have earned 96 points. If you have earned 25 points, you must be seeing that novice tire. Similarly, depending on whatever tire you have earned, like novice, trooper, ranger, legend, all things will be mentioned over here. Now here some important things, like many people are asking, these points, whatever 96 points they have mentioned, it includes all the points which we have collected from the start of the season, that was 7th of July 2025 till 28th of December, and even during the maintenance time when the games were not live. If you have completed any skill badges, then you will be getting the points along with the bonus points. If you have participated in the Arcade Facilitator program, then also you will be getting all the points whatever you have earned, and the workmate play, which the bonus points we have talked earlier. If you face any issue, you can comment down below. I'll just link all the resource videos in the description. So here is the final insider email. It contains all the details. So now you have to simply wait for the price counter. And if you feel that your points, like you are seeing you have earned 95 points and you are seeing 92, 91 points, then you can reach out to the support at the rate of qwiklabs.com. You have to share that I have earned more points. And now price counter will be opening very soon. So stay tuned. And if you're interested in the new cohort of the 2026, which is live, you can come to the channel playlist and I have linked the startup guide also in the description. These are the videos. Get ready for the new cohort and we'll earn more goodies. So this was the quick update. If you want any other queries, you can comment down below.